Lesson number 4. The World of Birds. Children, let's continue our reading from page 35. Feet and claws of birds. Different birds have different types of feet and claws. The claws of a bird help the bird in perching, walking, climbing, and swimming. They also help in catching, holding, and eating the food. Claws protect the birds from their enemies. Let us know about some common types of feet and claws of birds. Perching birds. Perching birds like crow and sparrow have 4 toes in their feet, 3 in front and 1 at the back. These toes help such birds in perching, that is to hold the branch of a tree very firmly. The toes make it possible by gripping the branches firmly even when the bird is asleep. Perching birds may also hop on the ground. Scratching birds. Scratching birds like hens and quails have strong feet with 3 toes in front and 1 short toe at the back. Each of these toes has a sharp, horny claw to scratch the ground. These birds scratch the ground to bring out the buried food, seeds, and insects from the ground. Scratching birds walk and run on the ground.